soi soi deve means whatever you ask from God, He will give you. But the timing is His. And this has actually happened, you know. आप लोग जो सब बैठे हुए हो यहाँ पे, it's like I've been staying in Europe for 5 years and I don't have a single sangat. And today and the satsangs I've been attending in Netherlands, it's like food for my soul. I mean, I was thanking Guruji so much throughout. I was just crying that Shukrana Guruji, my soul really wanted this. And the Langar Prasad, and you guys don't realize how lucky you are, because being alone in a foreign land where you don't have your friends, your family, and there is a language issue barrier, and then there is no Sangat. So I'm always dependent on traveling to like India, and this is the first time traveling and like attending in Europe. So Shukrana Guruji, and also sending like Anita Auntie. Really Shukrana Guruji. So the journey started in this spiritual world in 2012, and but the real spiritual journey, जो कि एक कहते हैं ना कि गुरुजी ने अपने आप से जोड़ लिया, that was in 2018. So suddenly there was a turmoil in my life, and एकदम से गुरुजी ने जैसे अपने आप से बिल्कुल जोड़ लिया. और उस टाइम तक मुझे ज़्यादा पता नहीं था. I was like not connected to the Shabad Gurbani, and I was just into bhajans because I like had 2 boys small, so I was mostly with them. Satsangs तो बहुत हुए during that time also. But today Guruji is guiding me to share my health karma journey. So 2018, when the problem started, so the tensions and the worries was like 500%, you know. इतनी मुझे होता था कि रात को नींद नहीं आती थी, and then जब whole night you are awake. So like, you know, one of my friends said that, you know, I think now time has come for you to do Amrit Vela. I said, what's that? So she said, it's a midnight meditation, and since you are like awake, so why don't you sit and do it? I said, okay. And then I just Googled कि ये क्या होता है. Then I asked one of my Sardani friend, and she guided me. And वैसे तो गुरुजी ने ही किया guide, you know. He just connected me to Rinkuveer जी के वो like, you know, व्याख्या. And एक उन्होंने मुझे व्याख्या सुनाई at that time that, you know, 12:15 बजे तुम्हें स्नान करना है और 3 बजे तुम्हें जोत जलानी है. So August 2018, it just happened that I started doing one-on-one Amrit Vela with Maharaj. वैसे तो कहते हैं कि there is no Amrit Vela, but हर व्याख्या में there is a mention of it. So, you know, maybe that was the need for my soul. And as you'll hear the journey, it was actually क्योंकि 2.5 साल महाराज ने हाथ पकड़ के अमृत वेला करवाया. And it is not easy because नींद एक इतनी प्यारी चीज होती है कि you just can't, you know. It was his blessing that he wanted me to do it, and that's why it happened. So Day Naga 2.5 साल अमृत वेला करवाया. And during this, he even made me walk, like, you know, from my home in Delhi, Oscars, till Bade Mandir 5 times, 2 times barefoot. और पहली बार जब हम walk कर रहे थे तो you know, there was like little drizzles. तो मेरा पाँव सिर्फ पानी में पड़ रहा था throughout the journey. So ये भी कोई कर्म काटने होंगे, because I took it as कि हम मतलब वैष्णो देवी भी तो जाते हैं ना, so why not? And so that's how the journey was going on. And then I would just say that 2019 suddenly Guruji packed me and overnight made me a like NRI, and it was like a 360 degrees, the life changed. And So August 2019, we moved to Europe, and 3-4 months के बाद ही I started feeling very low, and there was a kind of a depression and loneliness to the extent that even suicidal thoughts started coming. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा मेरा हाल वो था पूरा. And then I used to just look up into the sky and I used to talk to Guruji that, you know, Guruji, या तो मुझे आप उठा लो और या फिर आप मुझे अपनी सेवा में लगा लो. वैसे तो हमें we can't do anything for you. हमारी औकात नहीं है कि हम कुछ भी आपके लिए कर सकें. But still I want to be known as your सेवादार in the whole world. I don't know a single soul. मतलब मैं किसी को नहीं जानती वर्ल्ड में. तो एंड आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू गेट कनेक्टेड टू द ओल्ड संगत, जिन लोगों ने आपको देखा हुआ है, जिन लोगों ने आपको फील कर रखा है, तो मुझे उनके थ्रू आपको जानना है. सो यू नो, टू कट इट शॉर्ट, बिकॉज आई रियली वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट माई हेल्थ जर्नी. 2020 पैंडेमिक, गुरुजी ने ऑलमोस्ट 15 से 16 घंटे सिमरन जाप करवाया, जो कि मैंने मांगा था. और मांगा भी क्या था, मतलब ही ओनली हैड पुट दैट थॉट इन माई माइंड. सो शुक्राना गुरुजी, बिकॉज हमारे में तो इतनी सेंस भी नहीं है कि हम क्या मांगे. आई थिंक इट वॉज मेंट टू बी. एंड सो यू नो, पैंडेमिक के थ्रू बहुत ज़्यादा गुरुजी ने बख्शा सेवा, सिमरन. एंड आई यूज टू वंडर दैट, यू नो, इतना ज़्यादा मैं क्यों इसकी तरफ जाती जा रही हूँ कि आई एम जस्ट टोटली इन दिस. दिस इज नॉट माई एज राइट नाउ. आई मीन आई शुड इवन लिव माई लाइफ, बट वो कुछ आगे था होने वाला. सो दैट्स वाई, बिकॉज देर इज ऑलवेज अ रीजन फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट हैपन्स इन आवर लाइफ एंड वी गाइज डोंट नो. सो पैंडेमिक जैसी, लाइक यू नो, 21 started, I started getting some symptoms. There was a liquid discharge from my breast, and then from Kuwait I got a Zoom link which was for the breast cancer like awareness. तो मैंने सेवा भाव से काफ़ी लोगों को फॉरवर्ड करा, and I was not in a thing to like attend that, but I don't know, I think it was Maharaj, like obviously, that उन्होंने बोला कि join कर. And I joined that meeting. And during that meeting, that doctor was talking about this charge. So I said, okay, I think I need to go for a checkup. And you know, last 2 days से जब like Anita auntie is sharing her journey about the breast cancer, it likes he connects the dots. You know, what happened with her actually happened with me, and I didn't realize this. One of my Sangat Bhabhi friend, she messaged me that I am having severe pain in my breast, and Guruji is telling me to tell you to go for a test. I was like, I think she is legit crazy. Why is she telling me to? I mean, I am fine. And you hear such things, so you get very scared and you don't want to do it. तो मैंने कहा, I think she's just gone crazy. क्यों मैं करूँ? But then I thought, okay, I think I should go. तो मैं एक अल्ट्रासाउंड के लिए गई, कैब में बैठ के रोते रोते, and I just reached, and she was on the line with me, guiding me कि अच्छा तू जा, तू कर. And then the like ultrasound came out to be fine. So I was so happy. I was like, Jai Guruji. And the people said that, you know, there is nothing. You are fine. You just, but still you show the reports to the surgeon. I said, okay. So then I showed the report to the surgeon, and she just checked. And I think they are very, like, you know, because on a daily basis they are dealing with the patients. So she like immediately told me to go for a mammography. And I said okay, because my age was also like above 45. So I was like, okay, I think I should do it. And then when that happened, so जब मैं वहाँ से बाहर आई mammography करके, so the doctor said, please sit down. आई थिंक यू हैव कैंसर. मतलब मेरे को तो यकीन ही नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन सच अ हेल्थ कॉन्शियस पर्सन. आई हैव बीन गोइंग ऑन वॉक्स, ईटिंग द राइट थिंग फॉर लास्ट ऑलमोस्ट 20 years, very particular, and I just could not digest. And this term, you know, cancer is not acceptable. So I was at the back of my mind कि नहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो miracle will happen, because मैंने तो बहुत पार्ट कर रखा है, तो like that. And then my doctor said, okay, we'll go for a biopsy. So she said, don't worry, we'll be just putting two or three needles. So I've always been scared of a blood test. मतलब एक वो नीडल से भी मुझे इतना डर लगता था, और पता नहीं गुरुजी ने क्या कर्म काटे हैं कि अब तो नीडल, मतलब एक दिन में मेरे को कम से कम भी 20-25 नीडल्स लगी हुई हैं. सो यू नो, ही हैड टू टेक आउट दैट फियर फ्रॉम मी. But with this kind, it's like really. So biopsy happened and 17 needles were poked in my breast, and it was terrible. And for 2 weeks I was just on the bed, and pandemic tha. We have a 2-floor thing, so you know, I was literally तड़पोing in pain. और उस टाइम मुझे समझ आया कि you know, सिर्फ भगवान होता है जो तुम्हारे साथ होता है. तुम्हारी अपनी इमीडिएट फैमिली भी तुम्हारे साथ चाहते हुए भी नहीं खड़ी रह सकती, बिकॉज देर इज अ लिमिटेशन, यू नो, टिल व्हेन. एंड सो इट वाज रियली टफ. आई मीन, आई वुड नॉट lie. I was in a very, very bad shape, and I was all like alone. There was no you know, support. There was pandemic, so my parents could have not come from like India, and I was consulting the top surgeon from like India also parallelly. So he said that it's better that you get your surgery done there itself. So I went to the doctor, and the doctor said, okay, sit down, I have a good news for you. I said, shukar hai, Guruji ne bacha liya, thank you Guruji. And she said, well, you have cancer, but it's first and second stage. I was like, okay. And then she said, and there is another thing, you have a worm in your liver, Leukonococcus, and you're going to have another surgery. So you will have to go through 2 surgeries. One is the breast cancer and one is the liver surgery. And this liver surgery will be for 5 hours. I was like so disappointed, disheartened, and I was like, Guruji, आप क्या कर रहे हो? मतलब 2 एक ही बहुत थी, आप तो 2 में, मतलब मैं कहाँ जाऊँ? आप क्या चाहते हो मेरे से? That was the kind of thing I was talking to him as a father, like, you know. And फिर क्या हुआ कि सर्जरी की डेट फिक्स होनी थी. सो माई सर्जन सेड, अच्छा ठीक है, आप ये डेट्स हैं. आई सेड, नो आप ही चूज हो लो, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट. आई वाज लाइक फेड अप. आई सेड, आपको जो चूज करना है आप करो. सो माई डॉक्टर सेड, ओके, वील डू इट ऑन 7th of July. I said, okay, Guruji has stepped in. And then he also gave the time 13 hours. So throughout my this health karma journey, you know, Guruji was showing me 13/7, 13/7, बार everywhere. मतलब मैं सर्जन के रूम में जाऊं तो वहां पे किताब पे लिखा हुआ है 2013. You know, when I go to the plot number is 13. I go to the room, it is 7. But I was very कि गुरुजी आप बस ये साइन ही दिखाते रहो, मेरे को तो मिरेकल चाहिए. I mean, sorry to say, but my thing was stuck over there कि मुझे तो मिरेकल चाहिए. Because also Guruji was making me hear a lot of satsangs randomly where लोगों का 4th stage cancer was cured and a miracle happened and the surgery didn't happen. तो मैंने कहा, जब मुझे ये सत्संग सुनाए जा रहे हैं महाराज, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो है. And during this time, you know, संगत जी, almost, I'm not like exaggerating, 25 to 30 old संगत was praying for me. मतलब लोगों ने सत्संग करे for me. I was like in so much of gratitude कि गुरुजी मेरी क्या औकात है, but वो जो मांगा था ना, so he always listens. The timing is his. How he has to respond, how he has to do. But so the surgery happened on 7th of July और एक हफ्ते के बाद मुझे तब तक भी it didn't seep in that the surgery has happened. I was still could not take it. Also, I would like to mention a thing how Guruji responds. जिस दिन मेरी surgery हुई, उस दिन रात को it was 7th of July 2021 and बड़े मंदिर जो platform Zoom, I have been always logging in since the start. जब वहाँ पे बिल्कुल बहुत कम होती थी संगत, because that is the food for my soul, you know. So that day, Sabina Kocher auntie was sharing, and I'm just walking, headphones में I'm just hearing, but I'm talking to Maharaj. I'm saying surgery तो आपने करवा दी, आप मुझे एक बार बता तो दो कि मुझे क्या था, मतलब how severe was it? आपने मुझे क्या मतलब bless करा है? What was the miracle you did? Because surgery तो happened. Suddenly, from the other end, Sabina auntie is sharing her satsang, and she goes that Guruji ने मुझे bless करा, and he said मैं तेरे को 5 साल के बाद बताऊंगा कि तेरे को क्या थी problem. And she goes कि आप मुझे ना कभी भी बताना नहीं. So it was like the timing, you know. He made me say that you should never ask. So sorry Guruji and Shukrana. So surgery happened. उसके बाद then I'll tell you एक हफ्ते बाद my surgeon said that you know there is a test that happens world में सिर्फ 2 जगह है होता जिससे पता चलता है कि कीमोथेरेपी की जरूरत है कि नहीं है. So in your case, I think we'll have to go for that test because I feel maybe you don't need the chemo, but we have to go through the test. So we thought maybe it's a money-making thing. So we wanted to check. So I checked with my surgeon and he said, yeah, I think you go for that test. So जब वो test कराया उसका result 2 week के बाद आना था. But as soon as the test happened, there were like few things which came, and my surgeon goes that you know I think we've done the surgery wrong. You'll have to go for like another surgery. बिल्कुल मेरी surgery के almost week 10 days बाद. I said, are you crazy? I mean, I cannot do that. मतलब एक में ही मेरी तो जान निकल गई है. I cannot go for that. Then I consulted my like other doctor and he was so angry. He said, how can they do like this? And he says that we will take a chance and you just tell them that we will not go for the surgery. अगर कुछ होएगा तो 2 साल के बाद देखेंगे. So then I just told my surgeon that you know I am not going ahead with the second one. So she said, you know, I was praying to God and I was really hoping that you come up with this answer. Because being a doctor, we have to say this, but you really didn't need that. And then also for my liver surgery, so जो मैं वो एक miracle ढूंढ रही थी, जो गुरुजी से I was asking, that happened. He blessed me that there was no second surgery that happened. And then for the liver, I was on a 3-month course where there was like 800 mg medicines I had to have on a daily basis for 3 months. And then my doctor said that, you know, we'll take a call. We'll see that if you require the liver surgery or not. Chances are like 50-50. So I was continuously like, you know, praying to Maharaj and the way it is. And then 3 months ke baad it came out that my surgeon said that okay, the worm has died inside, so we will not be going for a surgery. I said thank you Guruji, at least he saved me from 2 surgeries. And then randomly I was one day I googled and I saw, मैंने कहा ये leuconococcus worm और ना जो ब्रेस्ट कैंसर का क्या वो है कॉम्बिनेशन. So there is a research going on in which they say that Leukonococcus, when you have breast cancer, the worm eats away the cancer. So he was actually blessing me. मतलब ये जो liver वाली चीज हुई थी, that was a blessing from Maharaj. और हम, and we have such a small, because we can't see वॉल के उस तरफ क्या है. आई केप्ट ऑन सेइंग टू महाराज के 2 आपने सर्जरी और 2, आई वॉज काइंड ऑफ just blaming him, but he was blessing me. So that's what happens. We have to totally surrender in his lotus feet without our ifs and buts, क्योंकि उनको पता है. And he takes us to the end. He just tests us कि हमारे में कितनी पेशेंस है, कितना वो है. He is there for all of us. It's just that we have to realize it. And maybe जो उन्होंने 2020 में मेरे से इतना पाठ करवाया. So my husband said that you are so lucky कि तेरे गुरुजी ने तेरे को इतना अचा लिया that you just touched and came back. So and I would also like at this point to really request all the women who are above 30, you should on a regular basis go for your mammography, because it's very important. And health, health is the first thing, as Maharaj also said, that apni health ka dhyan rakho. Because we ladies, we first take care of our husbands, our children, and we come last. And at times, so we don't even come. We just ignore ourselves. So that should not happen. And in my case also, I was overthinking a lot. इतना कुछ तुम्हारे heart में रहता है, which you just don't want to share with anybody. Though I was sharing it with Maharaj, his Swaroop. But in this journey I felt, and now I have started doing that, I just go to the mirror and I just share it with my own self. And I feel light. Because अगर किसी के भी साथ share करोगे, then it somehow it leads to ninda and So it's just that you just have to surrender in his lotus feet, and he takes care of everything. So Shukrana Guruji, Jai Guruji.